What's up, YouTube? CJD here from Chris's Junkyard Designs. We do a recent cracks, I guess you could say, showcase. We're going to just look at this new Silver Series Tubular Trucks set that I got last week. And I think it's the best set so far this year, in my opinion, that's come out. I think it's awesome. So it's all trucks from the 80s, four-wheel drive. And they all have metal bases except for this one. All the rest will have a metal base on them. So, which is surprising because I thought this would definitely have the metal base on it, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't. It feels like plastic to me, but I don't know. It's really hard to tell. I know the bumpers are plastic, but it doesn't feel like it's metal. I'm pretty sure it's plastic. So we'll start off with the 1980 Dodge Macho Power Wagon. Awesome casting. Colors are awesome. Really, really looks great. This whole set looks really great. Love the wheels, Hot Wheels on there. I think they look good. They got nice tread. They're big. Light bar on the top, the big push bar. Such a cool casting. Mopar. Power Wagon. So I've only seen the set once. I haven't seen it again yet anywhere, so I got lucky. There's your base, which I'm pretty sure is plastic on this one. Yeah, that is awesome. That's number one out of the set. Definitely a very cool piece. Okay, number two is the Chevy Blazer 4x4 with the metal base. This thing's heavy. Love the two-tone blue and black. Wheels look nice with the chrome. And they also have the Hot Wheels. They all have the Hot Wheels on it, I think. Yeah. It's nice. They're all fully decked. I don't have to do anything to these, really. There you go. There's your front end on up. Nice. Nice with the Blazer 4x4 on the side. I love that. Love this casting. I have a bunch of variations of this casting. This is a great addition to that collection for sure. You got a black interior. Yeah, this is a cool piece. There's your metal base. Love it. That's number two out of the set. Okay, and number three is the 1985 Ford Bronco. This one has the smallest wheels out of all of them in the set, but it is so cool. And the gold and black. Also metal base. Great casting. Yeah, this is nice. Goodyear, Hot Wheels, Edbach. The Ford. Look at that color. So nice. And the detail on the front. Looking good. Side markers. We got everything on here. Goodyear. There's your back with the Ford and the tail lights. Looks really, really good. Black interior. It's got the bench seat in the back. Let's see. See if we can take a look at that. I don't know. Yeah. There you go. You can see in there a little bit. And your metal base. Very nice. The next one will probably be the most popular one in the set, I am sure. It's the 87 Toyota pickup. That is just so cool looking. That definitely screams 80s right there. Is that the big tires? I think they're the same as the Blazer. I'm pretty sure those tires are the same. This is the one I bought two of, so maybe do a custom on one someday. This has a black metal base. Really cool starting the back here. Look at that. Toyo tires. Looks so good. This is plastic. The roll bar. Front end done nice. We got another Toyota right there in the front. Hood's a little crappy. But you don't notice it until you look really up close on it, so not too big a deal. Interior is pretty basic. Another black interior. I think they all have black interiors. That's a sweet piece. It really is. Okay, so next one I know is a Jeep Wagoneer. Does not have what it is on the bottom, so I don't remember the year. It's 80 something. But another very cool piece. This one I believe has the same wheels as the Dodge. Yeah, it does. Very cool color combo. And also a metal base, which is great. Love it. It's hard to pick favorites in this set. I mean, this is one of them. The Toyota Pickup's one. I love the Blazer, Bronco. I love them all. They're all just, it's just such a great set. Some sponsors right there. The top looks great. That deep color red looks nice with the tan. Front end work done up. Jeep. Your back with another Jeep in the back there, and then there's your interior, which is just open in the back with a roll cage in the back. So, very, very cool piece too. If you like trucks, this is a set you guys got to find and get. I'm so glad I got lucky. But they should be hitting, hopefully, where you guys are. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for all the likes and the comments. Take care, guys. Have a great night.